Model view controller. 2. Model view MVC2 architecture is developed from MVC1 architecture. The model module provide all core functionality and data supported by database. The view module display the data that control the module take over the input request, validate input data, initiate the model and view their connection and dispatch task. The controller and the view registered with the module whenever the data module is changed. The controller module and the controller module and the view module are notified of the change. In MVC architecture, the view module and the controller module are separate. This allows the division of labor. For example, a programming expert can work on the development while graphic interface expert can also do the development of view. Labor work is divided so that each separate work can be performed by view and control module, so it can इससे काम ज़्यादा जल्दी हो जाते हैं और आसानी से हो जाते हैं. Also because graphic interface technology is updated rapidly and business requirements are changed very often, it is much better to keep view separate from controller. क्योंकि ग्राफिक इंटरफेस की टेक्नोलॉजी रोज़ाना बाई रोज़ाना तेज़ी से चेंज हो रही है, तो ये अच्छा है कि इसमें जो कंट्रोलर व्यू है वो सेपरेट रखा गया. MVC2 is the same as MVCM except the controller and the view are separate in this system. Figure 9.2 MVC2 architecture is shown. Show that it is clear that C1 is paired with V1 and V2 and C2 is paired with V2 and all the control view are attached to the model. The model is supported by a database. You can see that these two classes in the model. One is the collection type of aggregation and many other classes are the part of it, and the other represent a row in the database table. A, a database is connected with the module and module is controller connected with the controller and view. Now controller and view are also connected to each other, so work is divided among controller and the view and can be done fast as compared to MVC1. Figure 9.4 show that the sequence diagram for general MVC architecture. After the client start MVC application, the controller initialize the model and the view and attach itself to the model. Controller interpret the user request either directly by command line or through view interface. Here is the controller and can initialize and register to the model, can initialize directly with the view model. Controller can also update request from the model and model can throw back update to the controller. Figure 9.5 MV architecture on Java web platform. Everyone is familiar with the Java platform development. So MVC architecture is shown request to the servlet controller, forward to the JSP view, and then is initiated by Java Beans module and connected through database. Database can back reply to Java Beans and Java Beans can reply to use bean using set property and get property getter and setter methods. JSP view then response get back. Controller and MVC. Controller is the most interesting part of the architecture. Controller is the part in which we process data after we get request from the view and before updating into anything into a table. Here is the control. We get request from the view. Then is the controller. Controller then connected to module and module is attached to a database so that we cannot update and until we manage any when we want to manage any change, we use the controller make it easier for us to manage the scenario. It is because the controller contains the function that we can perform our which according to which we want. For example, after receiving the data in our user controller and store method, we will simply create a user account and make us email listing for future to receive email from any software. Applicable domain of MVC architecture: interactive application where the multiple views are needed for a single data model and interfaces are prone to the frequent data changes. Application with a clear division between the controller view and the module so that the different professional can be assigned to work different aspects of such a application concurrently. ऐसी एप्लीकेशन जिनमें भी कंट्रोल व्यू और डेटा मॉड्यूल को सेपरेट सेपरेट हम डिवाइड कर सकें सो दैट और एक के प्रोफेशनल जो है वो अलग अलग एस्पेक्ट पे एप्लीकेशन के दौरान काम कर सकें. बेनिफिट ऑफ एमवीसी due to advantage of MVC architecture, development of the application become fast, easy for multiple developers to collaborate and work together. Many MVC vendor framework toolkit are available. Multiple views synchronized with the same data model, easy to change or add or plug new interface view, allowing updating of interface view with the new technology without overhauling the rest of the system. Very effective for the development if the graphic programming and database development professional are working in the team are designed to be each are designed to be a separate part, easy to debug when there are multiple level of properly written application. Disadvantage of MVC architecture or limitation: it is hard to understand the MVC architecture, must have a strict rule on method must have rules and methodology, not suitable for agent-oriented applications such as interactive mobile and robotic application. Multiple pair of the controller and view based on the same data model make any data module change expensive. The division between the view and the controller is not clear. In some cases, there is not much disadvantage of the power architecture, and the disadvantages are not huge and very easy to ignore and compare with the benefits. So there is many benefit as compared to the limitation. Related architecture: pack is an implicit invocation such as event based multi-tier architecture. Presentation abstraction control pack: the pack architecture is similar to MVC but some important differences. PAC was developed from MVC to support the application requirement of multiple agents in addition to the interactive requirement. The system is decomposed into a hierarchy incorporating agents. Each agent has three components: presentation, abstraction, and control. The control component in each agent is in charge of communication with other agents. The top agent is provide the core data and business logic. The bottom agent provides the detailed data and presentation. A middle agent may incorporate lower level agent within each agent. There is no direct connection to the abstraction component and presentation components. Thanks.